What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. There is a video that is currently trending on social media right now. And that video is of Julius Malema, Marshall Dlamini, and Duduzile Zuma. These three were just talking, laughing and enjoying together. Something that Duduzile Zuma and Floyd Shivambu just can't do amongst themselves. Right now everything is going really well for EFF. So bit by bit, little by little, this news is getting confirmed bit by bit. Right now, MDN News has a post on their social media account, and they are saying there is an argument, a tension going on at MK Party about the deployment of Floyd Shivambu to parliament. There is another side that is pulling and saying Floyd should go to parliament, and another side that is pulling and saying, no. Floyd should not go to parliament. So you can already see that Floyd Shivambu is sort of like in serious trouble right now. But a big question that I've seen being asked is that MK members, who are not happy, they have no reason not to be happy, because when they joined MK, Floyd was not there as the Secretary General. So why should they threaten to leave, because Floyd has been removed? It doesn't make any sense. But hey, what goes around comes around. If you remember, Floyd Shivambu used to decide on who must go to parliament during his time in the EFF. Today, it's now other people who are now deciding his deployment to parliament. Life, is like a wheel, it rotates up and down. It's really amazing. I'll catch you guys on the next one.